If you're getting this, it may very well be too late. Wait a minute. Let me shut the door. All this is happening because of the Republican Party. And the president that was in office in 2026. You have to be careful where you go. You cannot support the Republican Party. You can't trust them. You definitely can't vote for them. They're animals. Okay? Be safe out there. And I hope you make it out all right.
Oh, no. This did not happen.
No.